Hey y'all, welcome back to Cannonball Repair. Today, special video for y'all. We're not going to do no repairs on nothing, and I know it's been a while since I put a video out. My bad. Things have been crazy. It's been crazier for everybody, I understand. But look what we got outside. Yeah, that's fresh North Carolina snow. So, I've got the old Smoky out there running, fired up, couldn't believe it. And so, let's go on a North Carolina snow ride. Y'all come along. Just one quick thing here, guys. There's old Smoky sitting in there warming up. But just one quick thing here. If you notice, one is not like the other. Y'all go back and check out my other video on my diesel heater. It's nice and cozy in there. So be sure to check out that video if you're interested in a diesel heater. That thing is the trick. So, and this one don't have no heat in it. Well, I mean, it's got factory heat, but no diesel heater. So, yeah. All right, let's go get on Smoky. Alright guys, I know that was just a short little ride, but it's pretty cold out here, and I gotta go in and warm up a little bit. So thanks for watching. See y'all.